Yeah, hi, Rob Hughes from Training Centre Direct. A lot of people contact me because they want to start a career in the lift industry. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's where I started. There's opportunity, you can earn a good wage, there's always overtime. But there comes a point when other people want to maybe work for themselves, self-employed, or start their own lift company. I'm just going to pause for a second, just a quick introduction. I'm in sunny Richmond at the moment. There's a lovely view of the Thames just over there. But anyway, so you can either work for a lift company, and some people are happy with that, but others want to move on to run their own businesses, and it is much more profitable. You pay a lot less tax actually, and of course you have something to sell at the end. Loads of lift companies, smaller lift companies, get bought out by larger firms. The name changes and the industry just goes on. But if you want to get into the trade, learn a good career, earn a good income, and maybe stay there, that's fine. If you want to go on, then we can also help you with that as well. Just 1 second, there's I don't know if you can see it, the view for the Thames just there. Okay, so yeah, get in touch, send me an email, direct message me, let's have a chat, let's talk about a few different options you can take. Bye for now.